On the night of March 14, a large stash of cash was discovered after a fire at Delhi High Court Justice Yashwant Verma's official residence. In a rare public disclosure, the Supreme Court uploaded reports, photographs, and even videos regarding allegations of the recovery of burnt cash notes. Following an initial investigation by the Chief Justice of the Delhi High Court, the Supreme Court released the High Court's internal inquiry report on its website. The Supreme Court also uploaded videos and photographs which Delhi Police Commissioner Sanjay Arora shared with the court during investigations. Half-burnt wads of currency notes were recovered from Justice Yashwant Verma's official residence. Just listen in to what the first responders said on ground.
महात्मा गांधी मांग लग रही भाई बोलिए.
Imagine the magnitude of the stockpile of such burned notes that even after 10 days, even on the Sunday morning, when the NDMC workers were started cleaning up the process in the premises, they continue to found these kind of burned notes of the 500 notes. Now remember these numbers, the bulk of these notes were found by the police and the fire department. They all would have possibly the alphanumeric number codes, and that will be very substantial for the investigative team to find out the source of withdrawal of this income.
सर वो 4-5 दिन पहले यहाँ सफाई कर रहे थे, वो ढेर उठा रहे थे कूड़े का, तो उसमें जला हुआ कुछ सामान था, उसमें 500 के नोट थे जले हुए, वो छोटे छोटे टुकड़े थे उसमें. सर हमें ये नहीं पता कहाँ आग लगी है कहाँ नहीं लगी, हमारा काम तो कूड़ा उठाने का है.
The Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of India has formed a 3-judge probe panel. The panel will probe the source of the unaccounted cash, who removed the burnt cash pile, and details of staff with access to the room where the cash was stashed. Justice Verma, in his defense, claimed a conspiracy. He denied any knowledge of cash in the outhouse. Justice Verma insisted the storeroom or the outhouse was accessible even to outsiders. Justice Verma has been explicitly asked not to delete any data from his mobile phone.
जस्टिस यशवंत वर्मा, इनके घर में जो बहुत हार्ड कैश मिली है उसके बारे में इन हाउस ने आज अपने वेबसाइट पे जो पब्लिश किया है कि ये बहुत इन्वेस्टिगेशन का मामला है.
While the Supreme Court will wait for the probe panel report, the centre is keeping an eye on all developments.
देखिए उसमें सुप्रीम कोर्ट कार्रवाई कर रहा है, और आपके ध्यान में भी आया 3 जो जिसमें 2 तो ऑनरेबल हाई कोर्ट के चीफ जस्टिस हैं और एक जज हैं हाई कोर्ट के, उनकी कमेटी की रिपोर्ट आने दो फिर बताएंगे.
Has the cash mountain found at a judge's house exposed the rot in India's judicial system?
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.